Josh the Snack and Candy Reviews here of new Poptarts, Frosted Chocolatey Chip Pancake, and limited edition Frosted Marshmallow Hot Cocoa. Alright, Josh the Snack and Candy Reviews here of two Poptarts flavor, Frosted Chocolatey Chocolatey Chip Pancake, and limited edition, these are new actually, limited edition Frosted Hot Cocoa Marshmallow. So we got two flavors here. This flavor here is the Frosted Chocolatey Chip Pancake. This flavor is good. However, I feel like there's already a flavor out there that they already had. Pop-Tarts seem to do these flavors that they already have. They seem like introduce flavors that are very identical to the other flavors. I feel like they already had a flavor like this before, and I don't know. It's not as good as it could be. It's not very a chocolatey taste. It just seems like it's more of like, I don't know. It seems to be like cinnamon flavor. I don't know. I don't know what this flavor is, but it doesn't really have a chocolatey taste in my opinion. Next up is the hot cocoa marshmallow flavor, this limited edition. This actually smells really good. But the only thing with this is that the frosting on the top seems to be melting, as you can see. But it has like little designs. Like this has like, I think this like hot cocoa or something with a Pop-Tart in it. And then this one here is hot cocoa. It's hot cocoa is dear to me. That's pretty cool. So yeah, it seems to be the frosting is melting. Now this is the chocolate flavor that they should have did with the pancake flavor, because this flavor is actually really good. There's like a marshmallow filling and the chocolate's on the outside. So there's no like chocolate filling, it's just marshmallow filling. But like combined, it tastes like a chocolate filling though. Definitely not a fan of the chocolatey chip pancake flavor. I think that flavor I would have to say I probably wouldn't pick up again or get again. But definitely the hot cocoa flavor would be another flavor I would get again, but probably not this year, probably next year. I'm not a big Pop-Tart eater like I used to be. I used to eat Pop-Tarts all the time. I still do, but I just rarely review Pop-Tarts or rarely eat Pop-Tarts. It's just not really a thing that I eat that much. I would give the new chocolatey chip pancake flavor a 6 out of 10. I think they could make improvements to that with the flavor. It just doesn't taste as good as it could be. The limited edition hot cocoa marshmallow flavor is really good. I wish that was a permanent flavor, but it's only a limited edition flavor. Kind of like with the pumpkin pie flavor. That's really good too. I would say that's my favorite Pop-Tart flavor ever. It's pumpkin pie. But that's out of stock now because it's not pumpkin pie season anymore or whatever. Anyway, I'd give the hot cocoa limited edition hot cocoa marshmallow flavor a 7 out of 10. So thanks for watching and peace.